Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I have for you a Project Pan update. I have some things rolling out and some things I really haven't even touched the last month. So let's just jump into it. And let me start with my Glam Shop Coconut Eyeshadow. I have a goal of using it 5 times. I used it twice last month for a total of 4. So I still have 1 more to go. It's a very dark eyeshadow which I really don't wear, I realized. So I'm already gonna roll something in extra because yeah, it's 1 more time, but yeah, no progress really. And you will see weights of everything on the screen. This Deep Tear foundation, I have a goal of 10 uses. I used it 5 times. Last month I didn't use it at all, but somehow the weight went down a little bit. But it's not working for me. It's not the right tone for me. It's too orange and it feels quite heavy for some reason, like it feels drying. But I'll give it maybe 1 more month and see what happens. A bit of a better update for this random perfume I have in my collection. So here you have all the markings. I used it last month 8 times for a total of 36 if I'm correct. Yes, 36. I did slow down the progress a little bit because it's getting warmer and this is a very heavy flowery scent, more for me for winter time, but I'll do my best to see if I can still get this out of my collection before summer truly arrives. Then we have this Rituals Sweet Jasmine hand cream. I think my goal is to use it up. I used it how many times last month? 7 times last month for the total of 23. And here are the markings, as you can tell. It's going very, very slow. It's a very heavy scented, I was gonna say lip balm, hand cream. And it stands in my living room and like, I don't know, if I'm gonna be eating or snacking, I don't want this on my hands, and it's not that hydrating, I feel like, so this is going to be a very, very slow one. But at least I'm making progress. That counts. Then I have a MAC Velvet Teddy lipstick. My goal was 10 times. I used it last month 8 for the total of 10 times. I could not make a new marking on my paper. It looks like I did nothing. So, but this will be rolling out. It's the first one rolling out today. And then we have the Glam Shop Icing eyeshadow. My goal was to use it 15 times, which I did. And we also have a pan on this shade. So I kind of felt like it's going to be a pan soon because it's not a very densely packed eyeshadow. And I could tell it is not a deep pan either. So that's the second rollout today. Something with less good news is this Pure Nature body oil. I did not use it. My goal was 10 times. I haven't touched it. It has this weird fiery, oil is leaking out, a fiery woody scent to it. I just didn't really feel like using it, so I don't know. Let's hope I use it next time, like next month. Then we have the Wet n Wild Nutty eyeshadow, which also has not been used. I had a goal of 5 times. Compared to this one, this is more wearable, but still I haven't had the chance to wear it. I didn't really think about it, so it is still going to be staying in my collection. I also rolled in 3 eyeshadows last time. They're all now at the end of this selection. And the next one was the Kiko Milano 19 High Pigment eyeshadow, which is just a beige matte. I had a goal of 20 times, 20 uses, and I hit that goal. And you can tell that the imprint in the middle has worn off a little bit. And the last product was the e.l.f. Quad eyeshadow in Cream and Sugar. My goal was 10 times, to use it 10 times. I used it 4, so at least that's what it says, but I do think I did more, maybe not. So it still will be staying for at least 1 more month, but that's how it's looking. I'm mainly using these two shades when I reach for this quad. Alright, so I'm gonna open my app and we're gonna spin 3 times. There's 2 rollouts, and like I mentioned, I will be rolling in something already for this because only 1 use left. Let me open my wheel, turn up the volume, and let's hope it can focus. Sometimes it's having troubles focusing. It is the Paese glowing powder. If I'm not mistaken, that's a pressed powder, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but it is what it is. Also, it says Makeup Project Pan 2025. It's wrong. Okay, and I will spin it again. Glam Shop Nudjara / Bore eyeshadow. Is it this one? That's this one. Okay, it's right here. More eyeshadows. And one more time, like I said I would. L'Oreal Matte Resistant 105. I think that's a liquid lipstick. Let me grab the products. Alright, I got the products. Let's see. This is the Paese glowing powder, like I thought. And so it's a pressed powder. It has a very strong scent, and I don't really know how to use it. Is it like these hourglass things maybe that you just use all over your face? I have been using this a few times to set my face, and that didn't really work. So maybe I need to just see if it's like more for on the cheeks area or stuff like that instead of the whole face, because that definitely under eyes, that does not look good. So I'm gonna give myself 10 uses goal on this one to just kind of feel it out a little bit again. And then we have the Glam Shop eyeshadow called Bore. It's the same formula as the one I hit pan on, so I'm assuming I will hit pan on this one as well. I'm gonna give myself on this one 15 uses, just to see if I can hit pan on this thing. That's how it's looking right now. There will also be pictures for comparison next month as well. And the last one is the L'Oreal Matte Resistance 105 Breakfast in Bed. It is a liquid lipstick. I don't wear those. I'm trying not to make a mess. I don't really wear those. It smells like a liquid lipstick. And that's the color of it. I definitely don't wear them every day. I'm gonna give myself a goal of 5 uses, just to kind of see if I like it, if it's not too drying. Yeah, 5 uses on this one. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a quick little update. I do enjoy doing these. I do enjoy also going through my products, seeing if I actually like to use them, if they are good for my skin, my skin type. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.